The killings of our supporters. As we speak, somebody has been shot at Jacaranda, Embakasi East constituency, and 2 people killed at Kibra constituency. Ruto, you talked about not using, misusing, and abusing the police. But what are we seeing as at now? And I want to tell you that this is just the beginning. We shall not relent. We are coming. This is just the beginning. And the police, I want to congratulate you because at least now you are using the taxpayers' money wisely. Please buy more tear gas. We need them. Kwanza ya leo ilikuwa tamu sana. Na bado tuna prepare. We will not relent just because of tear gas and bullets. We will fight back. If you fight us, we will fight back. The police wamekuwa na shida hata kushinda wananchi. Na nyinyi you are being misused. And I want to tell you that what we are planning, because today is just a rehearsal, what we are planning is better imagined than experienced. We will be holding demonstrations on a weekly basis. Asante.
The leader of majority in the Nairobi County Assembly,